So let's see what can we really save from skipping dyeing process. So let's see this picture. This is the data from producing per ton of yarn. This data was collected and analyzed by our company according to a mid-scale dyeing mill in mainland China. For producing each 1,000 kilograms of yarn, which will cost about 5,500 kilograms of water, and cost 3.5 square meters of gas, as well as 1,000 kilowatt hour of electricity. Well, in this case, if we skipped the dyeing process, that is what we can save. Well, somebody may ask the question, this list and your analysis is quite reasonable, but to be honest, we're more focused on the quality, the product itself. Is there any bad influence to the product itself after skipping dyeing process? For example, the peeling, the colorfulness, the softness. Well, then let's see this general report about the test. First of all, the colorfulness, which is 4.5 to 5 degree. We can see this is a pretty high degree comparing with traditional dyeing. The second test, peeling test, has an increase of 0.5 degree. The third one is less chemical retain. We say less. It's quite conservative, because later I will show you an actual SDS Test report. You will find from the report that the chemical retain is actually 0. The fourth one is the lead time. Because we skipped the dyeing process, so the lead time will be significantly shortened to 15 to 20 days. Finally, let's go to the SDS test report. This SDS report is from one of our dry dyed yarn. So we can see from this test report, the first item is colorfulness. We will find there is colorfulness to saliva, which is 4.5 to 5. We can see there is colorfulness to washing and perspiration. They are all 4.5 to 5. Then we can see the colorfulness to rubbing. It's also 4 to 5. In general, we can find out all the colorfulness to all the necessary tests are all 4 to 5. So this is not available for current dyeing method, for all the other current dyeing method. Then let's go to the pH value. The pH value of this collection is 6.3. So this is a perfect pH value for all the garments. If any audience here working for kids wear, so you will know the pH value is also a very important test item for kids wear. Then let's go to chemical items. So we can find there is PCP, TCP, LPP test. Then we will find, according to this report, all those chemicals are not found. They are all not detected. I think there will be even more and more specified and stricter requests on those items. If there is anyone who working for kids wear, you will be quite familiar with the PCP. So this data, this item is getting more and more specified by Europe. Then let's review this test report again. We'll find all those items are not detected. Let's go to more items about chemical retenance. We will find all of those items are not detected. The last one is dispersed dyeing chemical. We will find it's also all not detected. In conclusion, we will find this collection is very reliable, very safe, especially good for the knitwears which will directly contact the human skin. For suppliers, surely this is a good thing because you don't need to worry about any test report issue. So till now, what we're talking about is all about the good part of this collection, the advantages of this product. But people would say, let's see the disadvantages. For sure, this collection have its disadvantages, of course. The main problem of this collection is about the color. We know pigment dye always have problem with the saturation of the color. It is not able to dye very high saturation colors. For example, some very bright colors. In order to solve this problem, we work with some raw material suppliers. So let's see this color list, this color book. You can see we did a lot on basic colors with a different saturation, different blackness. So on basic colors, here's no big problem. These are the colors that we can do right now, which is over 150 colors. For the other colors, we're still under development, but you can see we already did a lot. So our goal is 200, 300 colors, so this is not at the end. So here is the brief introduction of our dry dye collection. Thank you very much.